Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start now. Verify a stable connection and sign into Teams, then grant camera and microphone access so the app can use your devices. Once done, open Calendar or the Calls tab and choose Meet Now or Join for an existing event. That begins the session immediately. Make sure to run a quick device check. Select the right microphone and camera in device settings so participants hear and see you. This prevents delays and avoids rejoining mid-meeting. Once the call is live, invite participants by adding emails, copying the meeting link, or sending it in chat because early invites reduce waiting room clutter. Next, manage roles with meeting options. Set who goes to the lobby and who can present. This prevents accidental screen takeovers. When you share, choose screen, window, or PowerPoint depending on focus. Use presenter view to keep notes private while attendees see slides. Also mute noisy lines and pin the active speaker to maintain flow. When you finish, stop sharing and choose end meeting for all so no one stays behind. Then save or download the recording and upload key files to the meeting chat or channel for easy follow-up. Make sure to post action items and deadlines in chat so responsibilities are clear. If something goes wrong, for example, audio fails, switch microphone and speaker and device settings, plug in USB headphones, restart Teams, and, as a last resort, reboot your machine to clear driver or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.